Guys, yes, so Supreme here and welcome back to another video. But now I'm just drinking my energy drink. How do you even energy drink? But guys, start drinking these. They give you energy, but plus, if you find that golden cheeky, you win.
Leave your mouth on the floor.
You're welcome.
Boy, you're working. You're very good.
Can I scooch over a little
Oh yeah, I forgot. I ate some pizza bites. Some friends called Rashy, Whitey Rash, and Bluey Rash.
You ready to get dressed, Joe?
No, never.
With that voicemail, I just checked the voicemail. What do you want me to do?
Guys, last summer I didn't made a little birdhouse. Say hi to the hi.
It's been dirty since yesterday, and I have to pour it into this bag, and I didn't want to wake anybody up. I will take care of it.
Grandma. Say hi to the people on the camera.
Hi. How are you?
There I go. Cool, I have to do this one. Don't know. Don't care. No, not my mouth. Look. And I want to be on it, and it goes. I have to be on it. Not every. Okay, that's all I'm gonna do. I just wait for it to go down. What thing? Oh, it goes in the laundry room in the corner. Guys, I'm gonna set you down on this chair. Na, 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 na. I'm setting you look like that, so I can do something. Guys, I got to get dressed, so I had to do that really quick. I mean, I'm kind of dressed, though, just the shirt I can wear. Just everything else I can't. The pants I can't. But I can. I'm gonna have to show what I'm wearing now. Okay. Me is not want to cooperate. I'm wearing my emoji shirt and some blue pants. No shoes yet. I just wear flip-flops because I don't feel like moving all my shoes to get my very nice ones. But I'll show you those ones soon. Grandpa.
Aye.
You wanna play golf?
Not right now, we got to eat.
I meant after you're done eating.
After I got one that they go to.
And I just do it by myself. Hey, Grandma.
Okay. Oh, on the check? No, it doesn't. Jack, what was the amount that she said the line of credit was, the payoff? Did you write it down?
It's at 93.
He's looking it up this minute.
Grandma,
Be just a minute.
I'm going outside.
I guess this looks like what the check was for.
I was gonna have to write.
What I see is $93,684.01. But I'm not sure that's it.
Guys,
Isn't that what the check was?
okay, so I'm gonna have to show you how to play
I'll
golf.
call him back. I'll call you back in a few minutes. No, this is what the check. Okay, then that is the right amount then. Okay. Yes. Okay, all right. Let's see, it's First State Bank. It's on Windsor, Champaign. Mm-hmm.
I'm asking if I can play golf.
Right. Okay. All right, thank you. Bye.
Who'd you call?
I called Scott. He's glad we called. He's gonna get working on the check, so when we get there at 2 o'clock, we can take it over to her.
Grandma,
What,
Did-
honey?
you read what that said?
I did.
Can I?
Can I play golf with who?
Me, just me.
If it's in the backyard.
Yeah, I just have to go in the front yard to get the equipment.
Okay.
I'm gonna have to open the garage because the equipment's in Grandpa's truck.
Okay.
Oh, Grandma, when are you guys gonna be leaving?
About 1:30 or so.
Grandpa, when you're done, you wanna go play golf for a few minutes? When Grandpa gets done, he's gonna come in the front and play golf.
You're gonna put that back in your pocket. Now.
Say hi to the.
Hi.
Say hi, people.
Hi.
Say hi, people.
Hello.
Say hi, people.
Hi, people.
There I go. Now, let's go play golf and after you're done.
Important notice about your credit card account. We've made several attempts to reach you.
Perhaps nice to
It's a
come.
scam.
Who?
Guys, I'll see you next time.
Okay,
Bye.
Ryan Caster.